Hi, I'm John Frutkin. I'm here with my partner Adam Buck from Radix Law, and we are known for our mediations in bilingual mediations in Spanish. And based on what's going on right now during COVID, we thought we would talk a little bit about using Zoom for mediations and what we've been doing. We use this mostly because it's really set up in the sense that they're different rooms. And the real nice thing about it is that the software itself generates a link that you can click on to install the software. It also allows for phone calls, although we prefer for people to be on there live. So I'm going to turn over to Adam. Adam, if you could describe maybe some of the advantages to using video conferencing for mediation.
Well, one of the advantages is that everybody gets to be in the comfort of their own home or office. That's a huge advantage. There's no travel time. I've had mediations where inevitably there's downtime and people can go do other things. That can be an advantage or a disadvantage. But the last mediation I did when there was downtime, the client wanted to go do something else, and he said, just text me when we're back on. And then he just hopped back on when the mediator came back in. So certainly that's a huge advantage to having the comfort of your own home and your files right there with you.
Yeah, and so, in the room, it's really just like a regular conference room. So we've got everybody there. It's kind of nice to have the flexibility to leave without, having to wander around our office, for example, if they were in our office doing it. How about disadvantages? Anything that you've seen that you think is just a real limitation?
I think a disadvantage is some of my clients they're not technologically savvy. And so initially it was hard for them to get on and get connected. But once they were on, it was fine. But some people are just more comfortable with that than others. There's another tip is once they're on, I would recommend not letting them log off. If they need to leave and they want to go have some privacy, you can just mute. They can mute themselves and they can turn off the video. And then I can just contact them when it's time to get back on, and they just unmute, turn on their video, and we're up and running. I had a situation where the client logged off and then he couldn't figure out how to get back in, and it just delayed it a little bit.
So with that being said, let us know if we could be helpful. I know that you're looking down the pike of a real long time before you resolve cases without using this sort of technology. We're comfortable with it. And if you just need any tips, let us know also. You can reach me at jfrutkin@radixlaw.com, Adam at Buck@radixlaw.com, and we are here to help.